A quiet garage door slides open, and inside sits a car so rare only a handful exist on Earth. Not a showroom, not a museum. This is a private collection owned by Ralph Lauren, where machines worth millions are treated like personal memories. From a gold-lined engine bay to a vehicle designed like rolling art, this is not just about cars. It's about taste, vision, and choices that most people will never understand. Before we go deeper, tell me where you're watching from and hit subscribe, because what you're about to see changes how you define luxury forever. Step inside the garage, and the first thing you notice is not noise. It's silence. No crowds. No cameras. No attention. Just machines sitting still, like they're waiting. But each one holds a story. This is not a random collection. Every car here has been chosen with intention. Each one represents a moment in automotive history. And more importantly, each one reflects the mindset of the person who owns it. Let's start with something that changed the entire industry. The McLaren F1. At the time it was released, nothing like it existed. A top speed close to 240 miles per hour. A powerful engine placed in a way that balanced performance perfectly. But here's the part most people don't know. The engine produced so much heat, engineers lined parts of it with gold just to manage the temperature. Think about that for a second. Gold was not used for style. It was used because it worked. That tells you everything about how this car was built. Function first. Perfection second. No compromise anywhere. And then there's an even rarer version. The LM edition. Only a few were ever made. Built to celebrate a racing victory. Designed for performance but still legal on the road. That level of rarity is not accidental. It is controlled. Now shift your attention to something completely different. A car that doesn't just move fast, it stops people in their tracks. The Bugatti Type 57 SC Atlantic. Look at it and it feels unreal. The shape, the curves, the design. It looks more like sculpture than transportation. Only a few were ever built. Even fewer still exist in original form. That alone makes it valuable. But the real value comes from something deeper. It represents a time when design was driven by vision, not mass production. And that's the pattern starting to appear. These cars are not chosen because they are expensive. They are chosen because they matter, because they change something, because they represent a level of thinking that goes beyond normal limits. But here's the real question. Why collect cars like this? Why not just buy the newest, fastest, most modern models available today? Because what comes next answers that, and it changes how you see ownership completely. Now things start to get even more interesting, because the next car shows how past and future can exist together. The LaFerrari. At first, it looks like a typical high-end sports car. Sharp lines, aggressive stance, fast design. But underneath, something different is happening. This car combines a traditional engine with electric power. That means it is not just powerful, it is smart. Technology from racing has been brought into a road car. Speed meets efficiency. Old meets new. And here's the detail most people miss. You could not just walk into a store and buy one. You had to be invited. That's not marketing. That's selection. Only certain people even had the chance. Now pause for a second. If you're starting to see the pattern, hit subscribe right now, because what comes next takes this idea even further. Let's go back in time again. The Jaguar XK120. When it first appeared, it was one of the fastest cars in the world. But speed was not its only strength. It had style, presence, a design that made people stop and look. But here's where things get personal. This specific car was changed. Not by the manufacturer, by the owner. A new color was created, a custom shade that did not exist before. That decision alone transforms the car from rare to one of one. And now you start to understand something important. True collectors do not just buy. They shape, they adjust. They make something unique even within rarity. But just when you think this is about taste, it becomes about something deeper. Because the next level is not about design. It is about legacy. And what you're about to see proves that in a way most people never expect. Now we reach a car that represents pure emotion. The Ferrari F40. This was not just another model. It was one of the last cars connected to Enzo Ferrari himself. That alone makes it special. But then you look deeper. Lightweight body, raw power, no unnecessary extras. This car was built for one purpose: driving. No distractions, no comfort focus, just speed and control. And here's the part that changes everything. This car was bought new, not hunted at auction years later. That means the decision was made early, before it became legendary, before the world fully understood its value. That is not luck. That is vision. Now take one more step back in time. Something even more rare. The Mercedes-Benz SSK Trasai Roadster. This is not just a vehicle. It is art. Long body, dramatic curves, a design that feels alive even when it's standing still. Built in a different era, a time when engineering and creativity were deeply connected. Only a few were ever made. Even fewer survived. And yet, here it is. Part of the same collection. And suddenly, everything connects. These are not random choices. They follow a pattern. Rare production, strong history, deep meaning, personal connection. And that leads to the biggest realization so far. This collection is not about showing wealth. It is about understanding value. But just when it feels like you've understood the full story, there is one final layer most people completely miss. And without it, all of this becomes just expensive metal. Step back for a second. Not just physically, but mentally. Move away from the cars. Clear the noise. Forget the shine, the sound, the numbers attached to each machine. Now ask yourself one simple question. What's left? It's not speed. It's not design. It's not even rarity. It's decisions. That's the real story hiding underneath everything you just saw. Because every single car in that space didn't just appear there by chance. It was selected, chosen at a specific moment, picked for a reason that goes deeper than price. Some of those decisions were made early, before the world fully understood what those cars would become. Others were made later, but still based on meaning, history, and long-term importance rather than attention or hype. And that reveals something most people overlook. Value is not always obvious in the beginning. In fact, most of the time, it's invisible. It builds slowly. It grows quietly. It becomes something over years, not days. The same way those cars gained importance over time, the same principle applies everywhere else. Real success works like that too. It doesn't happen instantly. It doesn't show up overnight. It's not built in one big moment. It's created through patience, through understanding, through thinking ahead when others are only focused on now. And when you look at it that way, everything starts to connect. Because what you're really seeing is not a collection. It's a system, a pattern of behavior repeated again and again. Not random spending, not emotional decisions, but focused choices made with clarity. Choosing fewer things, but better ones. Choosing meaning over attention. Choosing long-term growth instead of short-term excitement. And that's where the real difference is. From the outside, it looks like luxury. From the inside, it's discipline. It's standards. It's knowing when to wait and being okay with that. And that's the part most people struggle with. Because waiting feels slow. Building feels uncertain. Results don't show up immediately. But that's exactly where the advantage is. Because once you understand this, everything changes. You stop chasing everything that looks good in the moment. You start filtering. You become selective. You think in years instead of days. You build step by step instead of jumping from one thing to another. And over time, those small decisions begin to stack. They turn into something bigger, something stronger, something that lasts. And that leads to the final truth. Luxury is not about owning expensive things. That's just the surface. The real value comes from knowing what actually matters and having the discipline to focus on it. Because without that understanding, even the rarest collection becomes empty. Just objects with no meaning behind them. But with it, even one single decision, made at the right time, for the right reason, can change everything. There's one detail I didn't reveal at the start, and it changes how you see every decision here. Watch the next video now to understand how top collectors think before something becomes valuable. Miss that, and you miss the entire game.